Great experience making coffee with a group. The instructors were very helpful in explaining Vietnamese coffee and its history, and the coffee was delicious. I would gladly do it again. Instructor, Sarah is very informative about coffee. She also shares Vietnamese greetings. Equipment. All equipment are top-notch and are well provided by the center. Experience. It is so immersive. I learned so much from it. Safety. The place looks safe. Location. Location is well lit and is easily located. It was a great experience learning about Vietnamese coffee. We made 4 types of coffee during the class. Teacher Sarah was very helpful and made the session lively and enjoyable. I highly recommend this to any tourist. A once-in-a-lifetime experience worth trying. The coffee workshop was a great way to learn knowledge, techniques about the coffee culture in Vietnam. The workshop studio was equipped with essential equipment and everything that was needed was readily available. I really enjoyed and learned a lot in this activity. Highly recommended. I joined the coffee class led by Sarah and it was such a fun and memorable experience. The session was packed with fun facts and interactive activities that any coffee lover like me would truly enjoy and be amazed by. I really appreciated how the provincial table was so considerate and still allowed me to join the class despite an unfortunate situation that happened the day before. Vietnamese people are genuinely warm and kind, it made the whole experience even more special. Highly recommended for anyone visiting. One of the key highlights, and one of the main reasons we went to Vietnam, was the coffee. My husband and I are big coffee lovers, so we thought, why not book a coffee making class? We truly enjoyed the experience. Our teacher, Sarah, was very approachable, jolly, and friendly. The whole activity was super chill, and we had a great time. We made 4 different coffee recipes, and to our surprise, we loved all of them, especially the egg coffee. They also provided a PDF with the recipes, so we can try making them at home. I'll be giving it a go as soon as I complete my equipment, lol. This class was a great opportunity to learn all about Vietnamese coffee and how to make it. We booked into the class to fill in time before flying home but wish that we had done it earlier. We were in a group of 15 others who were keen to learn as much as we could and the class definitely delivered. We were also able to purchase coffee beans and drip filters for use at home. I would highly recommend this class to anyone. So far, this is one of the best things that happened in my Ho Chi Minh trip. I really enjoyed the class and learned not just how to make these coffees but also the background of Vietnamese coffee beans. Sarah was so fun and a really great teacher. The people attending are also really lovely. Just got so caffeinated after the class lol.